Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be playing Craftwars Custom Universe Wars. Today we are gonna be getting 10 million money on this. I'm just 4,000 away. So let's get that money. I really want to kill him, but I gotta kill him last. Run! Kill him. Okay. You wanna come here? We're gonna kill him. The nightmare yo-yo will not give you the money, so I'm not using it. I'm gonna use the calamity blade. Ah! I almost died. Gotta kill him. Get out of the way. Told you. Might use my own, but I can't use it somehow. We got 10,000 cash in the like 1 minute and 40 seconds. Oh yes. So yeah, we are gonna use this to spend some items. So let's spend them. Let's get a little bit more money, like 20,000 more money or 30,000. So let's see what we can buy in the shop. So yeah, let's go. And I made a new account. And my sister did. She's get a guest too. But we can talk. I tried paying some people. So yeah. First what I want is this. Is a godfire. Now dang, I almost wasted all my money on it. I only have 1 million left. 1,007,000 left. But let's see what it looks like. That is a god sword looking. Okay. Hey, get away from me. I told you to get away from me last time. Ah, um, I'd rather kill me, please. If I reset and go back to here and get it back, and I like my other. It's really pretty. Oh wait, I can have the Azure. I would drop it. Press backspace to drop too. Just saying. Now it's doing some stuff. Whoa! Kill them! I'm almost to 2,000 again. I'm 2 million again. I'm 2 million money. 2,000 more money. But sadly, this doesn't get. Oh wait, think I think only on the zombies you can only get money on them. Yeah, this does less damage too. And I reached 1,000. Let me turn it back up. Yeah. When I hang out, you don't. Okay, I'm there. Watch this. Guys, like this Calamity Blade, like the second best weapon in this game. But I gotta tell you, the Nightmare Yo-Yo is the best thing in this game, guys. And this is the song what is actually playing. So this is the one that was playing when we were playing Craftwars Custom Universal Wars. You can play that too though. I think you can't hear it though. But it's like that. No, I don't. Just read things down here. And this is him. So this was the song. So yeah. So that was a song that was playing when we played Craft Wars Custom. So yeah, let's pause the video. I like this video too. We're gonna go back to here. And I wanna see my sister's playing. Prove it. Okay. Let's go prove it with it. I think the server's full. Nope, it's not. Prove it. Oh, okay, prove it. Okay. Okay, prove it, prove it. What the heck are they doing? What the heck? This boy was like, oh yeah. Like that. I don't know what they did, but okay. I get these badges. Egg no S. Egg no S. 318. 318. There again. 318. Okay, that was dumb. Actually, really dumb. Oh, hi, Michael. I am going in here.
Hackers and guests want revenge on Roblox because he removed guests and he banned some hackers. So
Yeah.
hackers,
And YouTube. We're gonna go to the throne.
Michael, sit behind. Sit behind.
I have to be right here.
No, sit beside me.